So in this question, you're given a quadratic equation in terms of log x. Has to solve this equation. So first this is a quadratic equation. So first let us say let log x to the base 10 is equal to t. So what does this equation become? This equation becomes t square minus 5t plus 6 is equal to 0. T square minus 5t plus 6 is equal to 0. So if you solve this quadratic equation, t minus 2 times t minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies t is equal to 2 or 3. So if t is equal to 2 or 3, that means log x to the base 10 is equal to either 2 or log x to the base 10 is equal to 3. So this implies x is equal to, I'll just convert this into exponential form. Log x to the base 10 is equal to 2 implies x is equal to 10 square or x is equal to 10 cube. So these are the two possible answers to this equation. So next, let us try to solve log x to the base 10 is greater than 5. Log x to the base 10 is greater than 5. So if you convert this into the exponential form, you get x is greater than 10 power 5, right? This 10 goes to this side, so x is greater than 10 power 5. So you have to be careful with this operation, because when you have an equality here, you can always do this. 10 power 5 is equal to x. But we have not said any property which relates with inequalities. So does this operation valid for inequalities also? You have to be careful here. So the property says that if the base is greater than 1, then you can directly do what are you doing for equalities, for inequalities also. So if I have a different question where log x to the base half is less than 4, so I cannot directly convert this into the exponential form. So if the base is in between 0 and 1, you can convert this into exponential form, but remember that you need to reverse the inequality. So if the base is greater than 1, then you can do the operations exactly as you have done for equalities. So if the base is in between 0 and 1, what you need to do is you can convert this into exponential form, but you need to reverse the sign. It is x is greater than half power 4. Half power 4. That is x is greater than 1 by 16. So this less than has become greater than. So that's the difference between equalities and inequalities. Thank you.